Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of August 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and at the end of the video I'll be taking out one card for you from this new deck. It will be a direct message for you from your other half. Okay, so for example, I have taken out this card. So the Magician is here. It is saying I want to make this work any which way and I have the power to achieve it. Okay, so this is the message from your person to you. So this is an example. Okay, so just before that, just think about a yes or no question for you, for yourself. A free yes or no question for my Virgos, please. Is it a yes or a no? Yes or no. It can be maybe as well. Yes, no. Yes, no. Think. Virgos. The answer is no. I am feeling heavily burdened and it is weighing me down. So this is a message to you. Okay. So let's start with your tarot. This is going to be a general reading, my dear Virgos. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. And let's get started now. For my Virgos, please. So the obstacle for you this month is the Ten of Wands. So this is the same card which came in the other no answer, and this is the Two of Wands. Okay, so it looks like that somebody is feeling very much burdened. It can be you, it can be your person as well. It feels like, you know, this person is really putting a lot of weight, a heavy weight, and it is really hard for him or her to move, even to take a decision. Okay, so this is the burden, this is the obstacle this month. It can be you because you know, somewhere you are not ready to accept some situations in your life and you are feeling very much heavy in your heart, because there are two situations around you and you are not able to take any decision in regards with that yet. This was the overall energy. Some messages for you from the back of the deck only. Two of Swords, Ace of Wands, Page of Wands, Page of Cups, Ten of Swords, Queen of Swords. Okay, so these are the messages. These cards are telling me that yes, there was a situation where, you know, somebody actually wanted to talk it out with you. It can be you as well, but yes, there was a communication. There was a situation where that it was new. It was like, okay, let's have a chit chat at least. Let's have a talk. But it couldn't happen because after that talk, after that conversation, it seems like things went really bad. It went in no area. It's like, why did we really have this talk? Because we are in no resolution. There is no solution for this thing. I cannot make things work like this. And yeah, Ten of Swords with the Queen of Swords. So yeah, somebody is feeling that, you know, that heaviness from the obstacle energy. It's like it's weighing and everything is ending. These endings are really not making you feel very good. Okay, so before that, past energies, Five of Wands, Eight of Pentacles and the Devil. Yeah, you really gave one chance to this person or this situation, this relationship, but it feels like it was toxic, and whatever you do, the things were, you know, it were worsening, and at that moment, one time it was like, okay, I'm not able to take this situation anymore, please. At present we have the Strength, the Sun, the World. It can be you because although it's a strong Leo energy over here with the Strength and the Sun. But yeah, there's a sudden change. It looks like that you really want to end. Either you want to end it in a good way or you just want to end it because you don't see anything. Somewhere you are not able to see the situation going to a next level with this person. So it's like for you, this person was the happiness. Yeah, for you both, for each other you were happiness for each other, but not anymore. Or it can be like, if we will be apart, only then we will be happy. That we have to really take some decision, we have to decide, we really need that inner strength in us. The future cards, we have the Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. So yeah, somewhere in the future it looks like that a communication, a building up together, a talking towards each other. But to me, it is one person talking and the other person just listening kind of a situation, because one person is not ready to accept anything anymore. It's like that, okay, fine, I am not sure what to do, but yeah, we can talk at least. Because the things need to, if the things become so toxic at once, they really need to work on that situation to make it work further in your life. Either you can end it, or you can just start it new, start it fresh. That is what you can do. So let's clarify your energies now. Tell me more about the Ten of Wands. Justice, Ace of Wands, and the Knight of Cups. Yeah. For many of you, there is a chance of ending the things in courts, in law. This thing might have brought in law, because some of you are dealing with a divorce or something. But some of you are really taking time to absorb the situation. Then you will contact this person. You're not able to absorb the situation yet. This is that heaviness, and you are not ready to express it. You just are imagining some things like, okay, how will I approach my person? I am really needing some space right now. Okay. Two of Wands. Why the Two of Wands is here in the overall energy? Queen of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. Yeah. So when a person is in between two situations, you really need to focus only on the decision making sometimes, and that is why you just block the people around you. You try to be, okay, so just you really need to be away from me sometime, and let's just not talk with each other. Let's just take some time with ourselves in taking, like, working with ourselves, or working in the peace, trying to understand what is happening in the life, and yeah, finding stability and balance again, because you are very much imbalanced right now, not ready to take any decision, and that is fine, I guess. You do not, there's no condition that you have to take a decision now. No, it's not like that at all. Okay, so tell me more about the Eight of Pentacles in the past energies. Eight of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, and the Moon. I think that that feeling of some hidden truth coming out in the past, because there was something hidden. It can be your person's truth, or it can be your truth which came into light. So somebody's truth came into light, and it was like, oh my god, what is happening in my life now? What happened? I'm not sure what happened. That is why you were really stressed out. You wanted to work, you wanted to understand what is happening. I think that you really researched, you really worked hard to find out that truth, what exactly was hidden, and why the arguments and this thing has become toxic. You were really finding some answers, because this was very beautiful. You were not able to accept it at first. Tell me more about the Strength energy in the present. Three of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Eight of Swords. Again, feeling stuck, nowhere to go right now. I'm just focusing on myself. Please do not tell me what to do, because I am not focused. You're focusing, either you are focusing in your career, in your other things, but you are not ready to focus in this situation. You really need that time. Tell me more about the world energy in the present. Three of Wands, Ten of Wands, and the Magician. Yeah. Not going to work in this drama anymore. I don't see you working for the drama. Just keeping on doing the same things, that same situation, daily, because you are somewhere. You are trying to understand, you are trying to find out a way, but just solely. You do not require anyone else's decision making, or in fact anyone else's advice right now. I think you have taken a decision. But it's just a confirmation which you are asking from the universe. Tell me more about the Hierophant. I really want to see why the Hierophant is here. Page of Wands, Two of Cups, and the Five of Cups. Yeah. This is actually a soulmate connection, as well as it has become very toxic. You were always with this person in a very, like, you have signed a contract, from the universe, that I will be with this person no matter what. So no matter what, how toxic this relation becomes, if you have signed a contract with the universe, then the universe is saying, okay, so fine, you have signed that contract, and you have to just deal with the situation now. Because someone is feeling that regret is coming in life, that sadness is there somewhere. Okay, so let's check out some energies, some messages from your person directly to you. Okay, so messages for my person, for my Virgos, from their person. So I have the Queen of Swords. The attitude and approach is killing the feeling of love. Okay. Seven of Cups. All these choices and options are confusing me. Ace of Swords. I finally have mental clarity on this offer of love. I love this new level of understanding we have. And Temperance. Let us find a balance. There is no need to rush, as we are on the right path. Good things need time and patience. Let's level up. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.